Hello and welcome to this presentation of Sage2DMO. My name is Ara Martirossian and I'm going to show you how to generate labels in the Dispatch Manager online system from data in Sage. The requirements are actually very simple. At the moment, Sage holds sales orders or invoice information, and most companies manually rekey this information into the Royal Mail DMO system in order to produce labels and do their tracking. What Sage2DMO allows you to do is to just have an efficient and automatic link between the two, so you don't have to rekey anything in. Obviously that saves you time and eradicates any errors. It uses the on-demand shipping feature in DMO, which is a browser-based solution, listening, if you like, for data from Sage. As far as the Sage2DMO system is concerned, there's a configuration system which allows you to decide whether you want to use orders or whether you want to use invoices, and also allows you to say where you want to start from, so you don't need to worry about all the old orders that have already been dispatched. It also allows you to set up defaults, things like, what's your normal service, as a result of which what you can then do is do a quick entry, and I'm going to show you that in a second. So first thing we need to do is go in here, and here's the shipping on-demand shipping feature within the Royal Mail system, and I have redirected this to a PDF printer rather than a label printer so we can see it. So the first thing I need to do is just start that up. So that means it's now ready to receive data from our Sage2DMO system. And here's the Sage2DMO system, and what I've got here is I've got the last 10 or 11 orders within the system, the last one being 102940, and if I have a look at Sage, the last order is 102944, and we'll refresh that in a second. Okay, so this particular order, 102930, has already been printed, and these are the label details that were sent to the DMO system, and here I've got the ability to go and have a look at the proof of delivery for that particular order automatically from within the application. So now let's say we want to create a new one. So let's use the quick entry feature first. So let's say I'm looking for order 102933. If I find that, there it is, and I can then just press one button. And what that will do is it will send the information over to the Royal Mail system. The Royal Mail system will send some information back, and will also send back details for the label, and the label would normally be printed on your label printer, but in this particular case for the demonstration what I've done is I've just redirected it to a nice PDF printer. So that's how quickly it is to do a quick entry. All you do is you pick your order, you press print. Nice and simple. Now let's say we want to send one of our orders off, but not as a ordinary first class thing, but let's say we want to send it off as special delivery. So for the special delivery, I would like it to be signed for. I would like some SMS and email notifications. So in here I will put in my mobile number, and I'll put in my email address so that the system could be used for that. And then again what I'll do is I'll just press print, and what that will do is again send that information off to the Royal Mail system, and the Royal Mail system will then generate the information and send that back to us so that we'll get a label with barcodes to be printed and stuck onto the parcel. Very, very simple indeed. So having done all of that, let's go and have a look at it in the Royal Mail system. So in the Royal Mail system, I'll now stop that. I can see I've fully imported two items as if I'd keyed those in using the enter shipment facility. And if I go and have a look at my current shipments, I will then see that there you are. Those are the two that we just sent over to them. And just to keep things clean, I'll just delete those for now. And finally, what you would do during the day on a regular basis, orders will be placed within your Sage system, which you want in your Sage2DMO system. So what you can do in here is just literally go and press one button. What that will do is it will go off and get the latest information from Sage, and I can now see I've got 15 of those, reflecting the last order, which was 9044. Dead simple. So, what are the major benefits of Sage2DMO? It's incredibly easy to use, it saves you time and money, and there's an automatic link into Sage, which means you don't have to rekey data in anymore, which means it avoids any errors that you could make. It works on sales orders as well as invoices, and it's incredibly quick to set up, typically less than a day and very cost effective. It can easily be changed in case you have some special requirements, and there are various different add-ons to the system, including things like Excel to Sage Automation, which allows you to bring in orders from Amazon and eBay, EDI to Sage, which allows you to link it to the retailers like Tesco's and Asda's and so on, and PDF to Sage, which allows you to import things from PDF documents. You can find details of that on our website. Thank you for your time and interest in Sage2DMO. Please feel free to contact me with your requirements or if you've got any questions, and also to arrange a free trial. Thank you.